Yo, what is up, legends? My name is Wikus and welcome to the Wick Trading channel. Last week I explained that we should see some more bullish movement coming in, but also to keep in the back of your mind that we need to get some liquidity at the bottom and expect a sell to show itself at some stage. This week I do see some similar movements coming in as the market is still continuing bullish with all the bullish momentum in the market, but we need to keep in mind that there is always some space for liquidity grabs and the market needs to come down to fetch those liquidities, and that is where the market gives us the perfect opportunities to get in and follow the long buys to the top. Let's get into the market analysis and see what is ahead. So we are currently in a ridiculously strong bull trend, and it's much stronger than I expected, as I explained in the previous video. But we currently have 8 weeks in a row with bull momentum, not one single bearish candle in 8 weeks. Now the last time that happened in the Nasdaq or on the Nasdaq charts was back in October, September of 2019. If I go down on my charts a little bit to this area here, so what that indicates is that we literally have one of the strongest bull momentums that the market has actually given us. So going down to the daily time frame, there's one thing I want to show you. So I said that for a reason, the bull momentum, to keep that in the back of the mind. So don't look for too much sales at the time. But what I do want to show you is that we do now have 3 candles in a row that struggle to break through a specific zone at an all-time high. Now, if I take a little box and I just draw this box above those candles around about there, and I go down to the 4 hour, that box actually plays along with a little order block that is formed on the 4 hour. Now, I'm not saying that the market's definitely going to get the resistance there and continue down or go in for a sell. What I am saying is be wary of the specific area that we are in now. If we did not get into a buy at the bottom here or the buy at the bottom there, do not look for buys at this area here, as the market can possibly, very slimly possibly, go down from this area for a little while. So also looking at the trend on the 4 hour, if I take the trend line and I shift it up a little bit, let me delete this one to take a new one. If I take this trend line and I shift it up a little bit to this area, you can clearly see there was a break, a retest, and then a continuation up. Now that bearish candle there already showed that there's not enough bear momentum in the market for the market to continue back down after the retest of this trend line. And that's why we got this break and retest from the top and a continuation up in the market. So I'm expecting more bull momentum, but I am wary of the specific zone that we are now. So at this stage, for me, on Monday and Tuesday, probably no buys or no sells or no trades. Just looking at what the market is showing us also depends on what Monday is doing. So just keep in mind, there's a possibility, a very slim possibility for a sell from this area, but overall we are still continuing bullish. So going down to the 1 hour, I'm not going to go in too much detail because this is something that I usually only share with my students. We've got ABCD pattern started to forming on the 1 hour after the bear push, and this bear push was just an ABCD pattern on the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour ABCD pattern, we started out A, B, C, D, and a continuation. So what I'm waiting for is basically just the market to pull back at some stage. I'm not saying it's going to drop from this area, but if it does drop from this area, before I go in for a sell, I would start looking for buys around about that area. There's another area or two that I'm also looking at, but if the market breaks through this specific zone here at the bottom and goes down there, I would say be very wary for buys, as the market could possibly go in for sells for quite some time. And if the market goes in for sells from this specific area, expect a very big sell coming in, as the market can literally, if we go down to the daily or go up to the daily, we can expect sales to come back to this area where we touched this week, or maybe even lower or lower or lower. And roundabout, if we go to the weekly chart, we can expect the market to actually go to this area here. Not saying it's going to happen, but just keep in mind there is a strong possibility because there's not a ridiculously amount of support going down, as this area here is a very volatile area and a very strong bullish volatile area. The more supports and resistance zones we form in that area, the stronger and the more safer the area becomes to trade in. The more movement we get into that area, the safer the area becomes to trade. And at this stage, it's literally just a bull push. So getting ridiculously strong supports and resistance zones there is a very hard thing to do. So be very wary of entering a trade without a complete setup plan set out. Okay, so I'm waiting for the market to show me what it wants to do. At this stage, I'm still bullish. I'm looking for bull momentum, and I'll see you then all in the next one. I would like to thank you for watching this video and spending the time with me analyzing the market for the week ahead. Please click on the like button below, the subscribe button, as well as the bell notification to be notified when I upload more videos to YouTube. Also, leave a comment or ask me a question down below if you want any information or need a bit of assistance in the market. Also, if you want more information about wick trading, the courses that I offer, the copy trading, as well as the signals group that I have, you can click on the website link below in the description. Everything will be there. Also, if there's a specific thing that you want me to upload a video about, please feel free to leave a comment down below about the topic, and I'll try my absolute best to upload a video regarding that and help you as far as I possibly can. Once again, thank you for your time. I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.